Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a strict wake time and treating it as non-negotiable. This anchors your circadian rhythm. Once done, remove naps after 2 p.m. and dim lights 60-90 minutes before bed to raise sleep drive. Make sure your room is cool, around 18-20 degrees C, and block light. Then, within 30 minutes of waking, get 10-15 minutes of bright light. It signals morning to your brain and shifts your internal clock. Start these steps tonight and keep them consistent. You now adjust bedtime in small increments, 15 to 30 minutes every 2-3 nights, so your body adapts without rebound insomnia. While shifting, follow a wind-down routine. Dim lights, do a calming activity like reading or stretching, and avoid screens for 60 minutes to reduce blue light suppression of melatonin. If you find yourself wide awake at the new target, get up and repeat the routine. Do not stay in bed tossing and turning, because that conditions alertness. You consolidate the new schedule by keeping the same wake time daily. Allow only a 15 to 30-minute weekend leeway so your rhythm stays stable. Once consistent, track sleep for 2 weeks and note patterns, sleep latency, naps, caffeine timing, and adjust light exposure or evening activity accordingly. If you still struggle after these changes, try 20-30 minutes of stronger morning light or move caffeine earlier. If problems persist beyond 3 weeks, consult a sleep specialist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.